world, welcome to Iconiqq TV. My name is Deejay Iconiqq, and right about now I'm about to teach you just a few things on how to start I was almost cussing how to start a MF, or rather just how to start a successful YouTube channel, especially in Kenya in the year 2023. In the year 2023. So welcome. This is my channel. My channel is Iconiqq TV. You can see that I do stories, tutorials, and then vlogs. But this channel, I do a lot of things. I'm going to draw most of my lessons from this channel. You feel me? Alright, so wherever you are, you're out there, you've never done YouTube before, and probably now you want to start a YouTube channel. Just people start YouTube channels for different things. People want to earn income, people want to push their brands, people want to promote artists like DJs. People want to just to make sense with their lives. For example, sometimes I do this because I have nothing else to do with my life. I'm a content creator. What do? And I have a lot of time on my plate. I have internet, I have this laptop, I have my phone. So what else can I do? Yeah. And I don't want to be employed by anyone. I've been to employment before. I know how it feels to be employed. You have to rush every morning, get to work, and then find that probably your boss, your co-workers, they are in another mode. You see, now you are working according to people's time. You are working, you're trading your money for you're trading your time for money, for bad vibes, bad energy. You know, being employed comes with all sorts of things. Now here you are, you want to start a YouTube channel. Yeah, probably because you want some side hustle, you want to make sense of your life. Just like me, I'm here to help you with that short intro or long intro. So now that you want to start a YouTube channel, I want you to note the following things. First of all, let me take my pen and paper so that I don't give you gibberish, something that my ideas are not connected in a way that you don't even understand what I'm telling you. I always have this big book here. Always number one, listen to me carefully. These two things when you're making content will be your friends. These two things. Oh, the second thing is this one, if you've not seen it. So it's the pen and paper, and I'll make my face big so that you can see me vizuri. Right. So number one, get yourself a pen and paper, not for this video, but when you're creating content, you really need it, because that is where you'll be doing your drafting, writing ideas. If you want, you can get a chart, flip charts, where you just write your ideas, flip to the next one. But get yourself a book. It's easier to keep your ideas even from the previous years. You come here and say So number two, write down your ideas. So number one is get yourself a pen and paper. We are yet to start this thing. This one could be a series. I could do a few videos for you depending on what you want to learn. Right now I'm just giving you a rough idea. Then if you want me to continue more, you can tell me. So number one, notebook. Number two, write down your content ideas. Sometimes you could be out there, the only thing that you have is your phone. What you can do, go to your notebook or type down. Yeah. Number three, or you can just go to your voice recorder and record your ideas. Brainstorm on your own. Ukienda kuenja kupiga lap when you are walking out there. Think about ideas, content ideas, but don't let it stress you. That is another point. Don't let it stress you hata kidogo. This thing is very easy once you get the hang of it. Yeah. All right. We have our book, we have our paper, you have writing down ideas, brainstorming. Then come online. Go online. Look for videos that inspire you, videos that make you feel that you can do content relating to them. But that I'll talk about it in another video. For now, I'm just taking you through the things that you need to learn. All right, we have other things like thumbnails, we have content titles, we have descriptions, we have tags. God damn, all those things. This feels like I'm going to have to write a book for you. So once you get down there, now this is a problem. Okay, I'll breathe in, breathe out, then I continue. All right, Some people tell me that they have a challenge about coming up with content, but I want you to do this. I want you to come up with your channel title first. And in this case, I want you to come up with a title that is easier to find. Something that is very easy to search, and something that people can listen to this one kindly, please, something that people can get randomly. Random people can just bump into your channel by just searching. For example, if you're into fitness, instead of calling your channel, I know it's very unique for branding and it is very tempting to make your brand your own, like something like, my name is Timothy. It's very easy to say Fit with Timo. I have another channel called Fit with Timo, but how many times do people search the term Fit with Timo? I don't know whether you're on the same page. How many times do people search to Iconiqq TV? Look at this channel, Iconiqq, with the Q's and this is very confusing to many people. I want you to learn from my mistakes. Yeah, this Iconiqq is very confusing to many people out there, because how many times do people go searching for Iconiqq TV? You see, it's very easy once people know me to search for that, but we are in the very first steps of starting a YouTube channel in 2023. So what do? Find a name that is easy to remember for people out there and for me out there. Something like, for example, I'll give you a quick example of random let's say you want to cover things about reaction videos. We'll come to niche is that specific part that you want to take, but this is just an example. If you want to do something with reaction videos, yeah, you could name your channel music reaction, or let's just go to specific okay, new music reaction Kenya. This is just an example. See, there are keywords here. New music. People usually search for music. I usually go there and say new music Kenya, new music April Kenya. In that way, it's easier for people to find your channel. You feel me? If your channel is about agriculture, look for terms that people are searching for and blend them with your channel, with your ideas, so that your channel can be found organically. When people go on Google, they can just search something random, then your channel will pop up. You feel me? That is the very first step. I want you to get that right. And then from there, go to your channel description. Put in keywords. What are people talking about? I want you to take your ego out of your head. That is a huge problem that we usually have. How? You ask. This way. You're thinking, if I name my channel this way, people will not know whether it's mine. No one knows you at this point. Remember that. No one knows you at this point. No one knows your content at this point. We are trying to brainstorm. And probably also want a channel where you can show your face. A channel like this one, where I'm teaching you how to start your channel. It's your choice. But some people fear, they have that fear for the camera. They don't have the confidence to come to talk to you this way, that is one-on-one on cameras. It might be feeling weird, but once you get the hang of it, you're good to go. So music, new music reaction, that is where we were. So get this right, underline it. Find a channel name that resonates with people's nature. Organic search. Organic search is where people just find your channel when they are searching their own things. Yeah. And then I've talked about keywords in description, channel description. I want you to get that right, because I don't want you to make this mistake that I made, because nobody searches for Iconiqq TV. Nobody knows me except you, and probably you know me by another name. You feel me? So once you get that right, that is the beginning of your YouTube success. Yeah. Then the second one, I know that you've heard about, or you could have heard, this one is a little bit advanced. I looked about it in depth in another video. Something to do with YouTube algorithm. Algorithm is the system that helps your videos rank, helps people get recommendation on what to watch. Sometimes you see that probably you search something on Google, let's say something related to shoes, you come to YouTube, then you find shoes all over, content about shoes all over. That is what the YouTube algorithm does. It helps the channel owners, that is the people who make content, who make videos, that is the content creators, and helps you out there who are watching this video to get this video without. Okay, I'll explain that later. For now, let's focus on the start of the channel. I'll pause right there. I don't know how long this video is, 10 minutes long. I don't want to waste your time. I'll make a second part 2, but get this, we'll end this video by get a YouTube name. That is where most people struggle. You want to start content but you don't know. So if it's comedy, you can say, if you want to do comedy, new or rather funny comedy by, then you can put your name there. It is very easy for people who are searching on YouTube to find your or Google or any other search engine to find your content very easy, because most people search funny comedy Kenya, funny comedy Kenya by. See? And then once people get to know your name, once your brand is growing, you can do rebranding very later on, and people will still watch your amazing content. So that's it. If you have another question, if you have any question, kindly go to the comment section, reach out, and I'll be glad to make another video. So that's it for this video. I think the next one, as always, drink water. Today I was drinking coffee, forget about the company, but I was drinking coffee. Inasemanga ukipendwa pendeka. Sawa? I see the next one. Have a good time. My name is Deejay Iconiqq. Peace.